Hello, my name is Jalen Wright. I'm 14 years old and I'm about to graduate from St. Matthew's Catholic School. I live in San Mateo and I live with my mom and my two younger brothers, Jacob and Justin, who both play travel baseball. I also have two pets. I have a pet tortoise that I got about a year ago, and I also have a pet dog named Princess that I have had since kindergarten. Some activities that I like doing out of school are sports. I play basketball and volleyball. First, we'll be talking about basketball. I really like basketball and I have been playing since I was a little girl. Basketball is my main and my favorite sport. I started playing club basketball in around 5th grade for a team called Torch. I have recently just left Torch to play for a new team called Moxie. Plus that, I have additional training once a week with my trainer named Milo. Volleyball is also very fun to me because I like how we get to run around and dive on the floor. I think that it's different than basketball, but I really enjoy playing it. My favorite subject in school is science. I really like my teacher and I think that the teacher really reflects off the class. But not just the teacher, I like how we have to do fun experiments in class together. We get to learn about cool chemical reactions and work on projects together. I think that I struggle in English the most because I don't really like to remember all these different grammatical rules. I think that it's confusing on how sometimes it can work and sometimes it can't. I also went to a lot of basketball camps at SI and I liked the way that the coaches were. They were welcoming and I really liked the way that they taught me. I would really want to go to SI because I love the community and I love the chance that it brings me. I like how there's different clubs and sport teams that I can join. This school stood out to me a lot out of all the other schools because it just felt super welcoming and it just gave me great vibes. Here is a picture of my volleyball team winning championship with a trophy. Thank you for my video. I hope you enjoyed.